He brought you something, Anya. Come on down. Maybe Santa brought you something at the tree. Come on down and look.
Santa usually leaves gifts for good children at the tree and in a stocking.
You want to play this? You want to look at this?
Sweetie, that one's for Dad.
You want to open this one? Who's in here?
That's for Anya from Santa.
Oh, look what he brought you. And he brought all of his gifts and put them under the tree.
This is Santa Claus.
It does. You see some Santas on there.
Oh.
Could it open this?
Okay, Anya, we're going to open one gift and then you're going to have breakfast.
And then we'll eat the rest.
Okay?
So pick one you want to open, Anya.
Yeah.
Whichever one you want to open.
This is a big one I have to open.
That is a big
Yeah.
one. You can open that one if you want.
Go ahead and open it, Anya.
Who's in here?
You don't know who's in there. You can open it.
Yeah.
Who's on that wrapping paper?
Oh, who's that?
Who's in there?
Who's that, Anya?
I think it's too loud up
Okay.
What do you think, Anya?
there.
Who's that? Oh, is that for Anya? Sweetie?
Just one gift. We're going to have breakfast now, Anya, okay? And then we'll come back and finish. Because you're hungry.
Does she have nice hair?
Where's her name?
What's her name? Let's think about that, okay? We'll come up with a good name for her. How nice.
What do you think, Anya? Is it a Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Whoa, what a face that is.